Hello, I'm Patty.
Hi, I'm Alondra.
And today we're going to do a review on boxycharm.
First video.
This is our first YouTube video. So boxycharm is just a subscription that you get every month. It's $21 a month. Just go to the website and you can subscribe. Alright. So the first thing that's in our box is this brush. That's really good if you want to touch up on your makeup. And it's by Mistura. It's really good. I like it. I use it. Ever since I got it, I've been using it at work. It's really good.
I thought it was a lip gloss. Look at it.
No, it's a... Oh yeah, let's zoom in. Okay, you're gonna do this one.
Oh, next is these fabulous long eyelashes. I want to wear them, but they're not mine.
And
they're by drag queen.
They're by Lena Lashes, so that's pretty cool.
Yeah, for drag queen.
The next thing in the box is this hairspray. It's by Eva NYC. Smells really good. Nick, can you spray it? Careful. Yeah, but it's really good. I like it.
I recommend it.
And then you do that. You do that one or just the...
What is it? Oh. Tango. Ooh.
It's the one she's wearing right now.
It is? Oh.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's really good. Like, it smells delicious.
Delicious.
To be bombshell. Yeah.
Be a bombshell.
Oh, to be. Okay.
And the last thing in this box, which is the best thing, is this Reveal Coastal Scents palette.
Yes.
There's 20 shades in this box. I already used a couple of them and it's really good. Okay.
Yes.
And well, this box, this one, the name of it is Jingle Bells. So let me show you that. Just this little card, and it shows you the details on the back of what you got. And so yeah, can't wait to get the next boxycharm.
Yeah.
Definitely.
This is for Christmas. Really good time.
Alright then. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Patty.
I'm Alondra.
And see you guys next time.